What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Winter Beast Mode here, and today we're going to be playing some Withstand Z. I'm going to give you a tour of my mansion and everything. Looks like we got some updates here in the game. Haven't played it in a while. It's a pretty loud shot. Okay, I'm going to show you my mansion. First, I am going to start with the front of the door on the outside. Then I'm going to work my way to the cool stuff. Looks like they got new textures and stuff. On my next episode of Withstand Z, I am going to preview all the updates. Okay, this is my beautiful mansion. I got a garage door right there. Got front door right there. Campfire right there. Got a bunch of stuff here. I got 3 rooms in here. Got a stairs room. Got a storeroom. You can tell I've raided the military base a lot. Like, a lot. Because, like my name says, beast mode out of my mind. Well, let's keep going. Okay, we're going to save that for last. But I'll give you a little sneak peek. If you see headlights, you know what it means. Right? I know what it means if I see headlights. Right now we're gonna head up to the rooms. Oh, god dang it. I fell. So hard to do this too. Probably be better with a Magnum. Okay, right here is the main hallway. Right here leads to my room, where I got the sniping view, where I could snipe some zombers, like this. Bodies go flying, because I'm really awesome at it. And right here is the babysitter's room. I built this for the first night that she babysitted my brother and my other brother and my little sister. They're all little. They're all tinier than me. They're younger. And I decided to put her on the server. She didn't have a room, so I decided to make her a room, go raid some stuff, get some fabric, and I made her a torch, put it in there. And over here, I have my brother's room, Jake. His name's Jake. I have also a dad named Jake. And this is his room. He's got a nice room. Nice look to it. And he also has a torch. Right here is the big stuff. Look at all this. It's like stuff galore. Like, it's crazy. And I have like sniper rifles and all that on me. I also have a flashlight. Yeah. Some awesome like that. That's my dog. Here's like a assault rifle scope. Well, I guess I'm gonna leave that open. It's okay, Coco. Shh. Okay, now here's the big stuff. Dun 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 dun. Got a police car. Is it nighttime still? Yeah, it's a good time to bring it out. Let me just hop in here. no, come on. Things are pretty fast too. We gotta. 1 minute, guys. Y'all quit. All a bunch of hound acting dogs. Okay. That's something that needs to be fixed. Oh my god. Well, I don't know what to do now. I guess I'll have an upside down police car. Yeah, and the reason why I raid the military base so much is because over here, down that stretch, that's where I got the police car. Like right where my red dot is. Right at that sign, right at the gas station. And over there is actually a really good place to get ammo and guns. Like starter, like magnums and pistols, 9mm. Headshot. Whoa, 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 whoa. Brains. And I know what you're thinking. No, the gunshots do not attract zombies. I hope that isn't in the new update. I haven't checked yet. Oh look, we got some canned sardines. Pick that up. Just snipe these guys. They don't even know. There we go. Now way over here is where all the guns. This is iGun. And they got tons of ammo and stuff. This is the only iGun store in Residium Land that actually has good stuff. And like right there is where I got the police car, right there. Well, guess we'll keep going on. And right when you get the police car, if you have all this stuff, and if you have a melee weapon, then right over there is the military base. If you could see it, and I rated it like 5 million times. All you need is an axe, and you run around in circles, and hit them, turn around, and hit them as you go. See? Right there. Oh, look, it glitched. I can zoom in. Wait, is that on every weapon? Oh no, it glitched. Yeah. See, look. Those are demons right there. Those things are not to be messed with. Just so y'all can see, I'm gonna go raid a town. Ooh, 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 ooh. First. I need some drink. Let me just put that over my head. Some canned sardines. Now I'm good. I know y'all want to see the Magnum wreck somebody. Oh, I want to show y'all the shotgun. Like, this thing can literally wreck. Let me just quickly run back over here and I'll go. Oh, and I also have a deer stand too. Like, on the side of my mansion. I have a gigantic deer stand. And I sit there with my sniper rifle and I snipe zombie. It's standing over that town. Right over there. It's standing over that town. It's like right in that area. Oh, wish there were beds. It looks like my house is on fire from the distance because all the lights in it. Maybe later on in the game when they add more updates and better updates, I'll start doing more videos. Yeah, it's pretty OP, the shotgun. The bodies go crazy with it. Last one stand. Right here's my deer stand. I couldn't make it too close to the woods, because if I chop down the trees and then put my deer stand up here, I wouldn't really put my deer stand in the woods, the trees would grow back in it. Which I had a problem with my first house doing that. It was like a small starter house. It wasn't small, but it was kind of like a starter house. Well guys, I think I'm going to end the video right here. I'll see y'all later. Bye.